Happy New Year, everybody. Welcome to 2022. I think this year's gonna be big for game development, but I wanted to start it off by seeing what projects are going around right now. This has been an ongoing thing for years in the game dev community, but every Saturday, people post like screenshots and videos of their progress of the game, and they do like hashtag screenshot Saturday. So I'm gonna go through what I can find and just kind of react to a few of them and see, what people are making right now, what's in the works. So grab a coffee and let's see what's going on. All right, first video, let's do this. Clearly work in progress, but this looks cool. Oh my god, that's cool. That was a nice transition. That water looks really, really good. First impressions are the animations look really clean, the physics looks really cool. It reminds me of this game, Dolphin Olympics. It was like a Flash game back in the day. Yeah, water is actually something that's so hard to get right. And I think they did a great job. Whoa! Okay, this is Animorphs the game. This is gonna be badass. I'm gonna keep my eye on this. What's it even called? I think it's just a demo. I'm gonna link to all these videos down below. That was really cool. My impressions are, water is really hard to get right, and these guys are clearly on the right track. This looks, I mean, just look at that. That's really, really impressive. All right, moving on. What is this, man? Okay. Ooh. This is weird and it looks really good. That animation looks really smooth. I love the lighting, I love the atmosphere. Happy 2022, that's right. So you play as an anime fish girl with a tentacle ass and you rollerblade? It's called Neon Tail. What? What do you do in this game? Do you just rollerblade around? What? It's on Steam already? It came out 2 years ago? Neon Tail is an open-world roller skating game where you follow a young girl's adventures and save the streets of Blue Pulse City. All right, moving on. Last Genesis. This game's gonna make a ton of money. This is right up my alley. That's cool. Okay, so you pre-plan your moves. This game is really, really nice. The UI is clean, the aesthetic's really good, the music and sounds are good, and those animations really, really nice. Look at that. That was crazy good. And you get to play as a dog. All right, we got dolphins, we got deer, and now you can play as like a wolf dog. 2022 is looking up. Last Genesis, this game looks incredible. I love games like this too. This is right up my alley. Don't tell me this is out. No, that's a different game. Moving on. This one's called Away. It looks like a little pixelated. I don't know if that's me or their upload. You play as animals? Is every game about animals this year? Oh, this is cool. This is like Planet Earth the game, right? But what do? You just be bugs? It looks really nice. Look at this. The world itself here looks really, really cool. Like, look at all the foliage and the planet itself. The animations look nice, like they look believable. That's really sick. Look at that. The clouds and the mountains. Really cool. Oh my god, this is on Steam too. But it just came out in September. Story-based adventure game playing as a tiny sugar glider in your very own nature documentary. Huh. All right, I mean, it looks pretty cool, but you don't have a tentacle on your ass, so minus points for that. All right, next. This one I think is also pixelated too. I think it's Twitter. Twitter is compressing these videos, so sorry about that, but we'll still check it out. Okay, immediately impressed. This is so cool. Let's go. This game is really, really cool. It's obviously still in like tech demo phase, but if this was like an actually finished world environment with all the art in, you can just imagine. This game is gonna be amazing if they can finish it. Oh my god, the camera work, the jumping positions, the animation, it feels very weighty, it feels impactful. Yeah, come on. This game is amazing. It's 2022, Year of the Samurai Pig. Yes, it is. Oh my god. The scale between the character and this guy is sick. I actually like this too. I'm a big sucker for like this mountain cloud aesthetic going on. You put that in the game and I'm pretty much sold. And now you get to be a samurai pig. All right, what, is there more about this? Oh, there is. Ooh, clean animations. Cool river. Dude, Samurai Pig's a badass. I'm sold. This looks really good. He's also working on this game, Rooster Rampage. This looks like the greatest game of all time. All right, back on track. Let's see what else we got. Zaton. Is this like GTA or what? The life of a fighter. Oh no, it's VR. Yeah. Okay, VR games always look like a tech demo because they never look like fully completed games to me, but they always look fun, even when they're just like cooking simulators or something. Maybe the novelty just hasn't worn off for me, but it just looks fun. Oh, you can shoot a basketball? What? Like, the fighting looks a little silly to me. And you get skins. Is that pizza hands? You can get pizza gloves. It's called Down and Out. Don't tell me this game's out too. Is every game I'm looking at already out? Oh, this just came out in December. All right, hey, if you have a headset and you try it, let me know if it's any good. It looks pretty cool. Only 6 reviews. I don't know if that's good or bad. Okay, this one's called Soldiers. Beautiful pixel art. Ooh. Okay, sound effects. Mwah. Those sound effects are incredibly good. There's a lot to see in this like little 15-second clip. Their combat looks so fluid. It looks really nice. It looks weighty. I like here. It actually will go slow-mo for a second when you hit both of them. I like that. Nice little effects. Beautiful game. Soldiers, Spring 2022. Steam and Switch. Okay, so this one's not out yet. Thank God. It feels like every game I looked at is already out. But this is definitely one to keep an eye out. Looks like a good classic retro game. Keeping it going. What? This is terrifying. Okay, the animations need to get smoothed out a little bit, but this has potential. There's a lot you can kind of tell here. They nail the atmosphere and the mood here. It definitely feels creepy. I like that you're trapped in like this claustrophobic space. You move so slow and you feel so helpless. So this game, I think, is actually going to be pretty fun when it comes out. I think the walking animation's a little stiff, but the monster itself looks great. It looks creepy as hell. Big fan, big fan. All right, I think I'm going to stop it there. I don't want this video getting too long, but honestly, I was really impressed. A lot of those games look really fun. I think seeing what people are making, what's on the market in the indie space is really important to stay up to date on. And I'll probably keep doing this every couple Saturdays and see how it goes. It's a fun video to make. So like the video. If you want to see more videos from me, go ahead and subscribe. Happy New Year, happy 2022, and go make some games.